So yes, class, do you have any questions in terms of conversation? Anybody?
Yes, you are attached with the person, and the person changed their path. Like you are attached, the person is not attached. How you like digest it?
So you see, Shomita, in life, like last day we were discussing, everything is transient. Yeah, I think Payal was there last day and she was making this point that everything in life is transient and nothing is permanent. Everything is going to change, including relationships. So your question is that you are attached to a person and suddenly this person changes his path and is no more attached to you. So how do you handle that? You have to also go away from that person. Stop your attachment. It is hard. I understand. Easy to say, but it's hard. But love is something that you can't force upon anybody. Okay. It's like if someone is not valuing you, is not giving you that respect, that time, that value, that emotion, that love, you know, then there's no point forcing that person to remain in your life. Are you understanding? It's not going to work. So if that person changes his route, his or her path, you also move away. Absolutely. Right. Because when you are connected to a person, extremely attached, completely deeply in love, but from the other end you get betrayal, sometimes you lose your own dignity, that you're chasing the person and you completely forget about your self-respect, that you have a relationship with yourself and you do nonsense stuff just to get that person in your life, but it's very, very incorrect. Are you understanding? If today you and Ranjana, you both are friends, for instance, few months later, God forbid, it's not going to happen, but I'm just saying that she stops connecting with you, taking your calls. So what do? Keep messaging her. You stop. You accept it. Yeah? Anybody else? Any other point you have? You can help her out. I feel it's easy. You say bye, I say bye, 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 and I'll go. What's the problem?